In Genesis chapter 7, God commands Noah to enter the ark, with his family taking with him 7 pairs of every clean animal and 1 pair of every unclean animal, along with birds of the air to preserve life during the coming flood. At 600 years old, Noah obeys faithfully just as God has instructed. After 7 days, the fountains of the deep burst forth and the windows of the heaven opened, realizing a mighty, unrelenting rain that poured for 40 days and 40 nights. As the flood waters rose, they lifted the ark high above the earth, covering even the tallest mountains. Every living thing on land, man, animals, birds, and creeping creatures perished, wiped out by the waters, except for Noah and those with him in the ark. God's judgment was complete, but so was his protection of the righteous. For 150 days, the waters prevailed over the earth, setting the stage for a new beginning. Genesis 7 is a powerful reminder of God's justice, Noah's obedience, and the importance of faith in times of great trial.